Yeah.
Woo boy. Look at all that room. Give me that rack now, bud. Take a look there. I got it. Okay. The blade kept slipping and it pissed me off, so I threw it on the ground. Now she has been replaced with a Milwaukee Sawzall so I can finish this job up once and for all. Should be wearing gloves, huh? Can't believe I just did that to my Chevy Tahoe. I still ain't done yet. Alright, well I think I had enough for the day. Cutting, welding, destroying my car. That's about all I can take. Time for a shower. Hit it again tomorrow. So tomorrow, this rack is going to drop straight down the hole. And it's going to weld to those two frame rails. They're kind of hard to see, it's too dark. But there's a rail there and a rail right there. Put some legs on it. I should be able to drop 5 batteries straight down in the hole.